Hello guys, let us see what has happened Bank Nifty and Nifty last week and the brief analysis about the next week. Okay, Bank Nifty, let us start with a bigger time frame. Let us start with monthly. This is monthly Bank Nifty. As you can see, like since November 23, it is an uptrend. Okay, and past 3 months also it is positive. Then this month till now, these 3 weeks, it looks like a red candle, but it's not bearish actually. Okay, you can see the long lower wick, monthly candle. Okay, let us look at the next time frame, like a weekly. See, the past 2 weeks it is green, and last week also, since midweek, starting on Wednesday, all 3 days it is positive. Let us now get into the chart. See, I'm saying it was going up since 13th May. Actually, if you look at the pattern on the daily chart, see, this is in April. It has come down. It's not that much. Okay, so let's just go to April and May. The April, it has come down from what, 48,930, say 49,000, down to 46,750 or so. Then again went up into the month end. Then first half of the month in May, again it came down. So down, up, down. Now it is in the rising channel. See, I have drawn the rising channel for you. On 13th May, made a bottom. Then since then it's going up. Then on Wednesday, it touched a low of 47,500-ish. Then next day it went up. The catalyst being RBI dividend to the government. Then also the possible reason is that the current government, either by itself or with the help of alliance, will come into power when results were announced on June 4th. So there will be that policy continuity. On Friday also, it closed well. So from here to the next week, okay, this is what has happened till Friday. From here to the next week, where can the Bank Nifty go? See, if you see the high that was made on the 30th April, okay, say like beginning of the month, it almost touched 50,000, 49,975 was the high. Now we are currently at 49,000, 25 point short, it is 48,971. Then if it keeps going up, another 1% is like 49,500, and another percent, that is like 2% from here, it is all-time high of 50,000, which it may target in the next week. Okay, coming to the next week, another data point we need to remember is it's a monthly expiry next week. Then Wednesday would be Bank Nifty monthly expiry. Then Thursday would be Nifty monthly expiry. Then 31st May is Friday. Then on June 1st, that's the last day of the election. And in all probability, on Saturday itself or the Sunday, one will get to see the exit polls. So market will be preparing for the exit polls or react to the exit polls on the Monday, that is on 3rd June. Then on 4th June, Tuesday, actual results will come. So I think before we analyze any data points relating to the numbers, you need to keep this information in mind and plan your trading or investments accordingly. I think the best thing is to stay sidelines by 31st May and let it play out in the next 2 days when the market open on Monday and also on the Tuesday, how the election results will come and how the market would take it, whether it goes up or sideways or down, depending on the result. Then accordingly you take your decision from then on. I think that would be the safest trade, to be on the sidelines. Or if you are getting into trade, make sure to get into your trades with a hedge, because that's prudent, as the moves can be bit wild and big. Okay, big moves can happen on the upside or downside. Okay. Another thing is, I think what I feel is, depending on the price action that is happening since past 3 days, um, if the trend continues in the next week, like it's not falling and either it is moving sideways or it's going up, I think it's better not to be in short going into the results week. Okay, or either way, either long or short, I think one should be hedged. That's the background for the special like this period, because it's more like event based, and which everybody is looking forward to. Okay, now daily chart, as I said, in Bank Nifty, it's in the rising channel. I'll try to get into smaller time frame, like 15 minutes. Okay, this is the 15-minute chart. Then, as you can see, from here on Wednesday, it went up very gradually. More green candles than red candles, more consolidation. It will still go up to whatever we like. 49,000 odd, 49,500 is 1%, and another percent is 50,000, with fractals in between. You can plan our trades accordingly. So now let us look at the Nifty also. Start with the monthly. This is monthly. Then Nifty and a higher time frame, if you see from November 23, it is in the uptrend, no doubt about it. So November, December monthly candles are big candles. There is a doji candle in Jan. Then again from Feb onwards, it just went up. And in fact, last week it made a record high of, it touched record high of 23,000 and closed very close to 23,000. So as you can see, it is 22,957 on Friday. So let us have a look at the weekly also. See, 22,500 used to be like a pivot point where Nifty toggled for some sessions. If at all it goes down below 22,500, it is to come there, and if it moves above 22,500, it is to come back to 25,500. So given this 400 point difference, we can say 22,500 would be the support. Then about 23,000, it's a blue sky scenario, okay, because it's a new record, new high. So keep adding like a percent from there. It will be 23 to 30 to 50ish, another 1%, 23,500. So for the next week, you can think of 22,500 to 23,500 as the range, and whatever we top data points will also be applicable for Nifty. On Thursday, it will be monthly expiry. So combined with the monthly expiry movements that usually happens, and also anticipation of the election results, the movements could be very volatile. So position sizing, please keep in mind. Less is better, I think. Okay. Then we'll see. Have a look at the daily channel also. This is daily chart. Okay. Same. Yeah. Came down in April. Went up. Then in May, first 2 weeks it came down, and from the May second week it also went up. Then rest of the details we have just seen, the higher 20,000 and all. So plan your trades accordingly. Be hedged. Okay, that's very important, I think, in this environment. 2 reasons. Till the results are out on June 4th. Once the market digests the results and act accordingly, you can plan your trade or investment accordingly. Okay, this is not a recommendation for trading or anything. I'm not a SEBI registered I'm not SEBI registered, so there is a disclaimer there. Okay, just be prudent with your trades. Okay, thank you.